Hi, I'm Cam,
And I'm Stacy.
and we just moved into the Meadows neighborhood in Rice Ranch. We bought the plan for the Oakridge, which is a Spanish-style home, and we absolutely love it. It's very beautiful.
Welcome to our home.
And here's our beautiful new home. Here's our kitchen and our great room area. Again, we're still just getting ourselves settled in, but we're feeling very, very happy here. One of the nicest things about having a brand new home like this is that everything works just the way it's intended. You know, nothing's old, nothing's broken, but at the same time, everything's designed to the newest standards for modern living. And this is the first time we've really been able to experience that coming from a slightly older home, that having everything work just the way it's intended, but at the same time, being designed the way you would want to live is really just quite a positive change for us.